Hi, good afternoon. Today we're gonna make Cassareep chicken. Okay, that's the chicken cut up, you wash already. Some potatoes, I have salt, I have a Cassareep. Okay, this from Guyana. I have some green seasoning, tomato paste, onion, hot pepper, scallion, garlic, ginger right here. Piece of ginger, 1 scallion, half an onion, 3 flakes garlic, 2 pepper, cut up, 1 scallion, 1.5 potatoes, couple pieces of chicken. I have some, this is Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna season the chicken, okay? And I have the pot right here. I'm gonna have some oil in there, okay? Let's get started. Welcome to my channel, guys. All right, I'll put the chicken in. Fry this up. Okay. I'll put the season now. A little bit of seasoning, season up chicken. Also, I'm gonna put some adobo. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna put some sauce on. Okay. Gotta season up the chicken. Okay. Some chicken cube. Okay, I'm gonna use the powder one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna throw the onion and garlic in. Really close so you guys can see. I'm gonna put it. I'll put all of this stuff in, okay? Smell good. Put some green seasoning. Some tomato paste. Half a teaspoon. I want to put the Cassareep in. Okay. Half a teaspoon. or a little more. A little bit of salt. If you have sweet pepper in the house, you can add sweet pepper. Okay. I'm gonna add potato and cook this down. I wash the potato and add the potato. I'm gonna cover this and let this cook with its own, lose its own water. Okay, I'll come back and show you guys. Okay. This is cooking with its own water. I don't add no water yet. So nice. Nice. Okay. I like cook with its own, right on with its own liquid. Okay. Really nice. Okay. I'm gonna add some hot water to it. Now let this cook down a little more, and then I'm gonna add some water, hot water. Okay. Looking beautiful. Okay. That's it. All right. I'm gonna add some water to it. I'm gonna come back and show you guys. Okay. We add our water in there. A cup of hot water, okay? 1 cup of water. Put all the good stuff in the end. Okay. And let this cook for like 30 minutes or like 25 minutes. Nice and slow. Okay, all depends how you like your sauce. Okay, I like my sauce a little not too loose, a little on the medium size. Okay, a little thick, not too thick. If you have to make adjustment, okay, if you want your sauce to be loose, you can add a little more water. Okay, I'm gonna let this cook nice and slow. Okay, I'll come back and show you at the end. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Okay, give this video a like what you see. Okay, I've made some rice earlier. When I eat some rice, we make some chicken noodle soup. Okay, I'll come back and show you the finish. Okay, thank you guys. Nice finish. This is how I like mine. Okay. That's all I like mine, okay? And a little bit of gravy, thickness of the potato caramelized. Okay, this is finished. Okay. Alright guys, thank you guys. Okay, for watching. Okay, supporting my channel. Thank you. This pot is hot and it's smoking. You guys can see. I'm gonna turn it off. Alright. Very cool lang, and you guys can see. Okay, nice Guyanese Cassareep chicken. Okay, all right, look at that. Okay, nice. Okay, Guyanese Cassareep chicken. You see what I put? Okay, I twisted a little bit with some American seasoning. Okay, you're gonna have this with some rice. You can have it with roti. Okay, all right, guys. And we leave a little bit of gravy cut if you want to eat it with roti. Okay, have a little sauce. Okay, so it depends. If you don't have it, you want to cook it on a little more. Okay, it's all your preference how you want it. Okay, this is my preference how I cook it. Okay, and thank you guys. Okay, delicious. Check it out, guys. Okay, beautiful. Okay, Cassareep Bronx stew chicken. Okay, gonna have this at dinner now with rice. Okay, thank you guys. Give this video a like. Okay, thank you again. Have a wonderful evening. See you in the next video. Thank you.